Just about to be 7:45 here on this Sunday morning, and we've been tracking what is now Tropical Storm Henri. Dave, just yesterday we were talking about it being just a Category 1, but it's downgraded. That's some good news, right?
Yeah, definitely. The big issue with this is, and this is somewhat typical with these minor hurricanes and tropical storms in the first world particularly, is flooding that we get from these things, and that's a thing to look out for, and locally severe weather as well. The core of the storm is packing winds of about 65. Tropical storm warnings have been posted all along New England, Rhode Island, Connecticut with this, and it's a fast mover, so really today is the big day to look at, and then by overnight into Monday it becomes a tropical low, and then by Tuesday, it's out of here. So it's a quick mover with all of that, minimal impact. It's going to be concentrated very much in New England like that, so it won't make landfall technically as a hurricane, but as a tropical storm. Meanwhile, what was Grace of any fashion has now drifted into the Pacific, and it's now a disorganized lump of tropical stuff, if you will. They're monitoring this, of course, the Hurricane Center. Good news with all of this is no matter what it becomes, its track still sends it out to the Pacific, kind of the middle of nowhere. And the impact is not really going to impact much to the north. That means Cabo San Lucas is pretty much in the clear. It'll get some minor cloud cover for this, maybe get some showers, but all the bulk of this is going to stay south, including the southwest U.S. Sometimes these systems can throw a lot of moisture up our way, even after they strike Mexico as well, which we got some of that moisture, as we recall, from last August in terms of the monsoon mixed in with all of that. Not going to happen this go-around. Meanwhile, temperatures on the home front, lower 60s line up the East Bay shoreline, up to the North Bay, 50s, 57 San Francisco, 60 meanwhile for San Jose. This is the beauty shot we have of the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza, still overcast, expecting to break up those skies a little bit. Watching things in motion by the middle of the week, we have a weak system that passes towards our north. It just delays the inevitable, which we expect by Thursday, Friday to see temperatures really start ballooning on us. We'll see 100 or so come as early as Thursday and into Friday. That'll weaken a little bit by the weekend. 4-zone forecast for this Sunday. We're checking in at 64 San Francisco. Lower 60s cover us at the coast. On the bay side, lower 70s, and down to the south, we'll get into the middle 70s, pretty much like yesterday here. 74 going on for Palo Alto, 71 Mountain View, 77 for Redwood City. In the South Bay, finally scratching some lower 80s here. Morgan Hill at 81, 82 Los Gatos, 76 for Cupertino. East Bay shoreline to the south, lower 70s, lower 80s off to Tri-Valley. 83 going on Walnut Creek and Concord. By the end of the week, these will be numbers near 100. 71 for San Leandro, 63 for Berkeley, Vallejo 63, 78 for Fairfield, 71 going on for Napa, 77 Santa Rosa. Mill Valley still at about 64 as we deal with fog through much of the day today. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures start to blossom by the middle of the week and latter portion of the week to 100 or so come Friday, maybe even as early as Thursday. Meanwhile, we'll look at the East Bay shoreline into the 80s. Noel.